Okay, I want to talk about how to whitelist an email in your Gmail account. Okay, what will happen is, okay, for instance, at mymarketingschool.com, for instance, if you submit a ticket, you're going to get an email from us with a support ticket uh, assigned to it number. And also, if you do send, if you buy something from My Marketing School, you're going to get an email from support@mymarketingschool.com. So here's an example. If you submit a support ticket, you're going to get an email from us. And it'll be from My Marketing School tickets at mymarketingschoolp.talk. So look for that. It could be in your junk mail. So look for that in your junk mail. And what will happen is you want to click on this support, or these little three dots here, and click on filter messages like this, and then create filter. Click that, and then what you want to do is check this box that says never send to spam. Okay. Also, there's some extra things here if you want to do. If you want to apply a label to it, like you can put in there. You can put it like a new label and then punch in like My Marketing School if you want to just go there, or if you just want to go directly to your inbox, that's fine. And you can always click this, always mark it as important. And basically click this button, create filter. Okay, so now these, when you send a support ticket to us, submit ticket, what will happen is these will never end up in your spam, so it'll always end up in your in-mail, your inbox email. Now here's another example. And then if you purchase a course, you're going to get an email from My Marketing School. It'll be support at mymarketingschool.com. And you'll do the same thing on these little three icons here. Click that. Go down to filter messages like this. Click create filter. This one here saying confirm create and filter. Push OK. And then check that, never send to spam. Always mark as important. Create filter. Now, these messages from us, like, you want to be able to get access to your course. And, so you want to be able to find that when you purchase a course from us, or even get a free course. We'll send an email instantly to you. And also, if you submit a support ticket on some question that you have, or problem that you encountered, then that's how you do it. And this will apply for any business. It'll apply for any email. So anything that you want to make sure it doesn't go to spam, you can just follow this same example and do that. This applies. This is being made in 2023, in the end of January. So this applies like today. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and share this also.